Galway, known as the cultural heart of Ireland, is a vibrant city full of history, stunning coastal views, and lively streets. The best part? You don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy it. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just looking for a relaxing stroll. Here are 5 fantastic places you can visit for free. Salt Hill Promenade. Take a scenic walk along the famous Salt Hill Prom. Enjoy stunning views of Galway Bay, and if you're brave, kick the Black Rock Diving Tower for good luck. Ayr Square. The heart of Galway City, this public park is perfect for relaxing, people watching, and soaking in the lively atmosphere. The square also features historic statues and tributes to Galway's medieval past. Galway City Museum. Located near the Spanish Arch, this museum offers fascinating exhibits about Galway's history, culture, and heritage, all for free. The Spanish Arch and Long Walk. One of Galway's most iconic spots, this area offers a picturesque stroll along the River Corrib with colorful buildings, street performers, and breathtaking waterfront views. Newig, University of Galway campus, and Quadrangle. The historic university campus features beautiful architecture, green spaces, and a peaceful setting perfect for a relaxing wander. From stunning seaside walks to fascinating museums, Galway has plenty to offer without costing a penny. Whether you're soaking in the views or learning about the city's past, these free attractions will make your visit truly memorable. So grab your walking shoes and start exploring.